Hey everybody, it's me, Baby Tiger. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we is gonna make breakfast. We're gonna make eggies and we're gonna make toast. And that's it, because that's what we're gonna make. So, first, we're gonna get a pan. Also, it's gonna get the toaster, because we're gonna make toast. Do you like toast? I like toast. I like my toast with butter. So we have butter over here for our eggies to cook them. So we get a knife out of the drawer. We have the knife. You should always be careful with knives or ask a grown-up to help you so you don't cut off your toe or your finger or your face or, you know, anything. So we're going to take the knife and we're going to get some butter. Stupid pan in my way. Gonna get some butter, just like this. It took! Dang it. We put the butter in the pan. And then we turn on the stove. And you should always tell a grown-up to help you put the stove. I got butter on my nose. Mama! Clean my nose up! Hurry up, Mama, you're taking too long. Okay, I feel better. Now my nose not have butter. So then we turn on the stove and you tell your mama or your daddy to help you with this part. Okay, then you wait for the butter to get melty. Okay, so now the butter melty, and while I'm waiting, I got some cheese and salt and pepper. My mama likes to put hot sauce in her eggies, but you don't have to do that. So then, once the butter melty, you get the eggie, and you crack it. And you put it in the pan. Then you turn it up until the eggies is all cooked. And if you want, you can put hot sauce. You're gonna get some hot sauce. Mama, I can't reach it. Mama! And you just put a little bit of hot sauce. And then you just stir the eggies and the hot sauce, and you add the cheeses. And you stir the whole thing up, and then it's ready. It's very easy. This is how you make the toast. You get the bread, you put it in the toaster, and I like 2 pieces of toast with my breakfast. So I get 2 pieces of bread, put it in the toaster, and then you just push this button and then you wait until you're ready. So we have to wait a few minutes. And then, once it's ready, you take it out. Ask your mama or your daddy to help you with this part because the toaster is very hot. Mama! Mama! Then you get your butters on your knife. And you put it on your toast. I also like to put jelly on my toast, so I put some jelly on it, and there's my eggies, and then when it's all done, you put it on a plate, and then you can eat it for breakfast. Yay! I'm so hungry, I'm gonna eat. Okay, everybody, that's the end of my video. I hope you learned how to make eggies with me today. They were so yummy, and I ate them out, and my mom would say that I tell Matty I'm a disgrace. I don't know what that means. So, anyway, I have lots of fun making this video for you to watch, and I had lots of fun eating all my eggies. They were so good. I love eggies. Now my mama has to clean up my mess. I'll see you all tomorrow. If you have any suggestions of what you want me to do in video, please leave it in the comment section below. And I will look at the comments and pick some stuff, maybe. And, yeah, we had lots of fun today. I love you all. Bye!